What have threats from the Iranians and Kate from Kinsale got in common? Well, if Iran goes through with its threat to close what's called the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow passageway in the Gulf, then Kate from Kinsale will find that it's going to cost her a lot more to fill up her car with petrol or diesel. That's the latest threat to crude oil prices. The Iranians have threatened to respond to US bombings of their nuclear sites by closing off what's called this Strait of Hormuz. It's a critical global transit choke point where about a quarter of the world's global oil passes through, and a large amount as well of liquefied natural gas. Countries like the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, Iraq and Iran all export their oil using this Strait of Hormuz. Already the threat to close off this strait has sent oil prices up. At the weekend, the Iranian parliament endorsed a measure to close the Strait of Hormuz. The final decision on this now rests with the Iranian supreme leader, Ayatollah Khamenei. Any move to close off that Strait of Hormuz would upset global trade and would also send global oil prices higher, which could lead to a global downturn as well. So it's a big risk and a big fear. We've got to hope that this doesn't happen, but it's one of the main ways the Iranians have of getting back at the Americans. They could disrupt oil trade by closing off this key route.